Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So, how can you transfer music from your computer to iPhone without actually using iTunes? Well, that's a very easy thing to do. Before we get started, subscribe down below and let's get started with the video. So, there are two different ways how you can do this. First way is through Dropbox. Now, Dropbox is basically a cloud platform, also like Google Drive as well. You can also do it with Google Drive. However, all you have to do is log in into your Dropbox or Google Drive account on your PC, click the plus button and upload music files to Dropbox. Basically, you just want to go and upload all the files to Dropbox. Now, once the upload process completes, you need to open the Dropbox app on your iPhone. It's simple as that. If you log in the same account where, on your PC, you drop down your files in, your music files in, you will be able to go and choose the desired music files and click download. From there, that's basically how you can transfer music from your computer to iPhone without actually having iTunes. Now, what you can also do is you can also use email as well, right? So email transfer is also one thing that you can do. Again, open your email inbox on your browser, click on compose and upload the intended music files, and then enter your own email address and hit send. That's pretty much it. On your iPhone, you can open that email address and download the music. However, what I would suggest right here, I would suggest for you to use Google Drive. In this instance, if you have a lot of music, you will need to use Google Drive. Now, what you can also do is you can use WeTransfer. So for example, with WeTransfer, you go to WeTransfer, you drag and drop the files here. And once you drag and drop files here, you can create a link. You can send that link to yourself on your iPhone through WhatsApp or Telegram, and then you can download music that way as well. So that's pretty much how you can transfer music from computer to iPhone without iTunes. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.